What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who do not know me, I am Lace London, and for those who do know me, welcome back, girl. Anyway guys, so we're going to be reviewing this beautiful unit that got sent to me from UNice Hair. And I'm not going to go too much into detail about this hair, but I'll leave all the hair information down below in the description box, as well as the hair link if you want to purchase the same unit in this video. And if you enjoy watching today's video, please leave a big thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts about this hair company and their hair, and I'll get back to you. And subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
She never really says them, and that's peak. Nobody even noticed this. Psychosis. She put my hands on her waist, I forgot what I was saying. Now I'm swimming in the ocean. Bottled up emotions. So the bottle screwed open. She gets the attention, obsessed with a lie, but don't confuse her love and the likes, my girl. Oh, she want, yeah, she won't be famous, but everybody knows her. Famous. Yeah, she dances, famous. Everybody knows her, everybody knows her. By the time she realizes, game over. Don't you wait until it's game over. Chase the fast life till it's game over. And nobody knows it, nobody knows it. And it keeps rotating. She moves around in rotation. Throw it round in rotation. Drop it down in rotation. And it keeps rotating. She moves around in rotation. Throw it round in rotation. Drop it down in rotation. And it keeps rotating. +1 at a show. She done do 3 videos. Take a picture with the same pose. Upload Insta account. Spend it all for it hits the account. Trips for the clout, and she got a low self-esteem, so she wanna be seen, living life dreams, but them things ain't never what it seems. Nowadays she rolling with 10s, rolling with them, but they ain't really no friends. Getting older, she realized the game's over. She realized when she's sober. Michael calls the Range Rover. They don't love. But she want, yeah, she won't be famous, but everybody knows her. Famous. Yeah, she dances, famous. And everybody knows her, everybody knows her. By the time she realizes, game over. Don't you wait until it's game over. Chase the fast life till it's game over. And nobody knows it, nobody knows it. And it keeps rotating. She moves around in rotation. Throw it round in rotation. Drop it down in rotation. And it keeps rotating. She moves around in rotation. Throw it round in rotation. Drop it down in rotation. And it keeps rotating. Famous. Where everybody knows her. Famous. Yeah, she dances. Famous. And everybody knows her, everybody knows her. By the time she realizes, game over. Don't you wait until it's game over. Chase the fast life till it's game over. And nobody knows it, nobody knows it. And it keeps rotating. She moves around in rotation. Throw it round in rotation. Drop it down in rotation. And it keeps rotating. She moves around in rotation. Throw it round in rotation. Drop it down in rotation. And it keeps rotating. Rotation. Drop it down in rotation. And it keeps rotating. +1 at a show. She done do 3 videos. Take a picture with the same pose. Upload Insta account. Spend it all for it hits the account. Trips for the clout, and she got a low self-esteem, so she wanna be seen, living life dreams, but them things ain't never what it seems. Nowadays she rolling with 10s, rolling with them, but they ain't really no friends. Getting older, she realized the game's over. She realized when she's sober. Michael calls the Range Rover.